Yeah, hi. Volume here to start. So yes, the live streaming like I started. So anyways, let the others join and we'll start discussing. So yeah, I couldn't come live for like last Friday, so I was a little busy. Anyways, again, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. So as you can see, we are live in Sensex and Nifty. So as I've already like said earlier that if we pair up Sensex with Nifty, so even then also like our probability increases like, and again we are everywhere. If you see, we are just following our model 1, which is our flagship model. Okay, so again many people come and say that like we don't have the premium plans on TradingView, uh, so we won't be able to run the other model. So I also, I mean, just sometimes go back and check out like, so suppose if you go and check out like in model 5, so here and here mostly they did the call writing and it fell, but it also was caught on model 1 right at the top as well, so right here. And again, if we include Sensex, so our accuracy increases. Like here we saw call writing happening in Nifty. Here also it's happening in Sensex, and after that the charts are bending, and so it's a nice like high probability setup. Even like here we did like here we saw some put writing in Nifty, but if you look at Sensex, we saw a good amount of put writing just right here before this up move. So like this, I mean, sometimes we can increase our accuracy with these two. Yes, but there is only one problem, that is again the Sensex data on TradingView. It's not real time. Like for real time, you have to subscribe to their data. I think it's like 450 rupees per month, something like that. But again, like though I did not got time. But I think I posted one of, like, yeah, so I posted these analysis, like, for the Infi there, and then again for the Sensex also. So after that it fell. So the, I mean, just before this fall I posted that day, uh, Monday to expires the Sensex expiry. So as I said, like, I always do my best, even for those who say that we don't have money to buy or something. So, and talking about the whole performance is like, for Nifty, since we have our expiry tomorrow. So if you look at here, that is right at 9:15 a.m. the put writers came in, and the amount was 64 CR. Okay. Now you would say here call writing happened. Yes, call writing also happened for 42 CR. And so whenever these kind of scenarios happening, so we should get the signal that is, and that happened at 9:20, and this happened at 9:15 again. NSE OI comes at 9:18. So this is, we are getting the update right from the first minute. So 9:15, 9:20. So we get a signal that is short straddles are forming. Okay. But after that, you see further put writing was being done, and they pushed it up like almost 100 points. They pushed it up, and after that, again, like, both call and put writers were present, and like here, I mean, they were put writers, but here also they were call writers. So mostly, like, both of them were present, but another one big signal was this one. So again, now you would say that here also they shorted. So the thing is that we have to wait for the charts to bend. Okay, so like bending means what? Like, you can think of it like, as a human you can understand, like, one simply red candle is not like bending. So suppose if the previous to previous green candles low is getting taken down or something like that, you can make some strategies about the bending thing. So yes, and finally, like, here again they came in, and that was a big one, like, that was 112 CR. Okay, so they basically averaged out their positions, like here 90 CR, here 36 CR, here 30 CR, here 59 CR, and the final blow was here, and it was the highest, 121 CR. Again, we are not considering the put buying that small quantity, we are just considering the call writing, which is light red. So we just follow the call writing and the put writing, which is the call writing, which is the light red, and put writing, which is the light green. We don't follow deep red or deep green. And that was the last green candle there. And after that, it fell, and again, right after that, yeah. So we saw that like mostly put writing happened in Sensex at that point, and it went up. Yeah, thanks, Skyweaver. Also, let's go and look at Bank Nifty once. So yeah, so Bank Nifty, let's talk from the morning. Yeah, so again, we have like in starting from the morning 9:15, put writers were there, call writers were also there. So it if you just look at the put writing and the call writing, so it was a short straddle here, and after that, like market is consolidating, as you can see. It came down, so like here, if you find out, like within this region only mostly call writing happened, and then like within this consolidation zone, so mostly call writing happened, and it came down here, put writing happened, and it went up, and so yeah, overall, like it's consolidating mostly. So if you look at the overall picture in Bank Nifty, we have basically short straddle. 50 CR like this one. So you joined today, Nilesh ji. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. This is my first day of. Yes. Excuse me if I am repeating this question. While monitoring the HFT Algo Scanner, do we look for reading above any certain level? No. So yes, let me answer that question. So the thing is that मतलब when we are scalping, हम लोग जब scalping कर रहे हैं, स्पेशल लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इन निफ्टी, तो तब क्या हो रहा है कि मतलब इवन लाइक 20 CR 30 CR भी मतलब दे ऑल्सो वर्क, ओके, बट ऑल्सो लाइक सपोज हम लोग को एक किसी किसी को चाहिए कि एकदम श्योर शॉट, ओके, तो उसके लिए मतलब हाँ, उसके लिए हम लोग को फंड फ्लो इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है कि हाँ, ये जो आप देख रहे हो कि हाँ इधर एकदम मतलब लाइक इट वाज द हाईएस्ट कॉल राइटिंग ऑफ द डे, 112 CR ऑफ कॉल राइटिंग, ओके। तो ये क्या होता है कि मतलब जब भी 50 CR से ऊपर कॉल राइटिंग या पुट राइटिंग विद द सेटिंग एज लाइक, सेटिंग में भी आपको देखना पड़ेगा, अगर आप ये बढ़ा रहे हो तो वो भी अमाउंट बढ़ जाएगा। सो आई एम एनालाइजिंग द नंबर ऑफ स्ट्राइक्स एज 6, ओके। तो 6 स्ट्राइक लेके अगर मुझे देख रहा है कि 100 करोड़ से ज्यादा पोजीशन है, सो इफ द पोजीशन लाइक amount is more than 100 CR in Nifty, or let's say more than 50 CR also, so I wait for the charts to bend, okay, in that direction. So even here also this was a good amount, like this was 90 CR. You can see the light red amount here, so it was 90 CR, it was a good amount. Okay, I notified in the group as well that that is we should wait for the charts to bend, and then after that, like here it did not bend, like again it went up, and here it started bending, but again let's say that here either we like, if you are suppose here it started bending and we have taken our position, let's say here, okay, again there is no recommendation to take any positions or buy wholesale or anything, it's just a strategy we are discussing, okay. So again ultimately it's your decision, and so let's discuss the strategy. So suppose I see the charts bending, so I take it here or here, and then I only get one more red candle, okay, and then let's say the chart again starts reversing, so then let's say I keep a stop loss at here where like the red candle started, or maybe I am trailing profits, or I am getting out at 1 or 2 rupees like let's say profit, I mean in the premium I'm getting 1 or 2 rupees premium, and I have then it's automatically getting closed because of the trailing profits. So these are the two things, okay. And let's say suppose let's take the worst case scenario, it hits our stop loss, okay, here, and then again we see a big amount of call writing is happening here. We wait for the charts to bend, and again it starts bending here, and this move would have like given you more than that stop loss that got hit. Okay, so that is the thing. But again, I have also seen many people, they keep on averaging like how the big players are doing, but as per risk management, if you say, that is not recommendable, or nothing is recommendable. So but that is like if you are very strict on risk management, so that is not a good option. But again, as I'm saying, like there are several strategies that you can think of. All the tool is doing is, it is helping you to figure out where the big positions are happening, and after that, as I have told you, it's very simple. जब भी कोई बड़ा पोजीशन बन रहा है, तो उसके बाद हम लोग को खाली चार्ट्स को उस तरफ बेंड होने के लिए वेट करना पड़ता है. Suppose, for example, let's say that here call writing happened, the chart did not bend, like it went up. तो इधर हम लोग वेट करेंगे. So we wait, okay, and then again here it started bending. I discussed like if such things are also happening, then what we can do. Okay, so then again here it bends, and here the highest amount of call writing happened, and it bends and it comes down there. Okay, right below we got the signal from the Sensex there, so put writing happening, and so we also get a fair idea that here the stop might fall because put writing is happening there. Yeah, thanks for coming, Ronak. Pranam Ronak. You sprout our update hoy na 9:30 te NSS. Why sprouts update? I mean, they have stopped the change in the OI, or are they updating after 9:30? I did not get that point. Like, so then we have to make our own tool. Then, like that can be easily done because it's just checking the change in the previous day OI minus current day's OI. And also, like sometimes, as I told you, like that is, suppose market is just consolidating in a very narrow tight range, then even like 20 cr 30 cr positions also, like they bend, but you have to be very quick and scalp and get out. Again, no recommendation. All we are doing is discussing strategies. Okay, so discussing strategies is like, it's like a theoretical educational type thing. Again, no recommendation. So again, we saw here, let's look at the call writing. Now I see the charts are bending, right? Just give me 1 minute. So even like they can also be sitting, and now finally like they are also here also we saw call writing, 42 cr of call writing happened here as well. So that is what I always say, wait for the charts to bend. Bro, why market is going upside? Market is not going anywhere. Like you mean today or overall? So what we can do is again for tomorrow, like let's draw this level because here one of the highest call writing happened. So and Nifty got like rejection twice from that level. So yeah, let's keep that level there. And again, those who are new here, so you can also set alerts on, like, suppose you might be an office goer or something, like doing some other tasks. So suppose you want to only get notified when, let's say, more than 50 cr of call writing has happened, or 50 cr of put writing, more than 50 cr of put writing has happened. So you can just simply like right click and add alert, and you can go for the value, and you can go for put writing or call writing. So, and go for once per bar close, and yeah, you get all the notifications there. So this is monthly expiry, so we have to be a lot careful like this. So sometimes like market will be ending, so last 1 hour whatever positions are getting formed, that is also very important. So I mean, currently I'm working on many updates. So one of the update is like now you can also include in the money as well, because now whatever we are doing for out of the money. 1 minute to 3 p.m. Again, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Yeah, so just send me the names of those, okay? Make a list and send me those, I'll just add them, okay? So most of the important ones are here. You already have them, but again, if there is something we are missing, so just send us, we'll add them. So just make sure that they should have options here, like they are traded in options, and that's it. No, so actually I was in IIT Hyderabad, so that's why my phone number is from there, from Hyderabad. But yeah, uh, I'm not actually from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. Can you please open Bank Nifty? What inference can we draw from last 15 minutes? Are we seeing call writing? Okay, let me see. Bank Nifty, if you see, so like right here, some good amount of call writing happened at this level. So which is 56,800. Coming down below, we had some put writing. So today in the morning, as you can see, even the call writers were also there. So which is indicating like they are doing like short straddle, I think, for tomorrow. This is expiry. Here a good amount of put writing happened. Okay, so at this level, 56,500, and mostly like last 15 minutes, it's again here the call writers are only there. So mostly call writers can be seen right at the end. Also, let's change our ATM to the current one. Let's see. So again, like tomorrow we have monthly expiry. So Bank Nifty is also going to play an important role. Yeah, and also Nilesh, like since you joined today, so again, as I said, like you can also put alerts. Okay, so you can right click and put alerts, like if call writing is more than 50 CR or put writing is more than 50 CR, so you get alerts. It's kind of a boring day, but anyways, so what can we do? So like we have drawn this level where the big call writing happened today. So if market or Nifty goes above this level, then we have to be careful. And also we have our AI money flow, so let's also look into them. So for the AI money flow, you just have to look at this code, only this column. Okay, and no nothing else. Like you can also look at the chart, so but mostly this column you have to look at. So like right in the morning, if you see and how to read the score, the link is already given here. Okay, so how to read the score. And in the morning, if you see here right there, like 9:28, it jumped to 32. And also we saw put writing happening mostly by 9:32 in Nifty here. So if you see, look at this region, call writing also happened, but mostly put writing happened like by 9:30. And then it went up, and after that, like it was like in the almost in the positive zone, then came into the neutral zone, again slightly positive, and now again in the neutral zone. So negative 15 to positive 15 is the neutral zone, so it means sideways basically. For Bank Nifty, it's slightly negative in the morning, and then again the score jumped right away at 9:33 from negative 8 to 29. So this is the kind of sign like we have to watch out for, like sudden decrease or sudden increase in the score. And yeah, so after that, like it's all like the score is neutral in Bank Nifty. So right before 3 p.m. it went slightly positive, like 24 to 40. So someone, that means, made some big positions right at like at this time. Sorry. Yeah, right at this time someone made some big position, and yeah, again it came down to the neutral. So but our flagship indicator is the HFT one. So there is nothing like this. I mean, that can catch reversals almost from the top or bottom. So like this one was the one, like 112 CR of call writing happened, and that was the last green candle and came down. And even in our quantum model also, like it really, like they are very hard to find, but they really show up, and whenever they show up, like it's a good sign. Like, and we mostly follow the light red and the light green. Okay, so light red was here, and here somewhere it was here, but put writing was there. Here was a good one, like in the quantum model. So this is the model M5, as you can see, the quantum model. So all the models names are listed here. So the M5 is quantum flash algorithm. Now some put writers are coming into the picture. And again, like this is tracking the big institutional positions, and in real time you get all these updates. No delay, nothing. So it's all visible, even in the live stream as well. So scores are slightly going negative. So but in Bank Nifty it's totally neutral. Anyways, in Bank Nifty we can see like both call and put riders are present. 10 more minutes, and so again you can ask any queries or questions if you have. Yeah, so guys, like market ends today, so tomorrow we have our monthly expiry. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow what the fresh positions like starts building up. So this is how our money flow is also ending negative 21 for so it will print the finals. So almost in the negative one, just slightly negative, not that heavily negative. For Bank Nifty, it's neutral. Sensex ending with slight put writing. Bank Nifty, both call and put writers are there, so they are making short straddles. Nifty at the upper end we saw call writing, lower end we saw put writing. At the ends, very few put writers were there, not something very heavy, and also like call writers were also there. Like so, it's mostly like everywhere. Like both put and call writers are present. So let's see tomorrow what fresh position builds up and how market moves in their direction. So yes, so this is like an indicator which tracks big institutional positions in real time. And again, if you want access to it, like you can go to our website and make the payment, and you get the access as soon as possible. And yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. So market was boring, so nothing we can do. So anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next